morning, and it's Donna from Thread Treasures Embroidery. I'm going to show you how to digitize a pawl split. I guess you would call it a monogram frame or frame where you can put a name in here. I'm in Embird Studio, and what I'm going to do is actually um, I'm just going to start doing my design around and moving my nodes, where they need to go to make it line up fairly close. Doesn't have to be perfect, but comes out a little bit. Make the properties the way you like them. Sorry for that noise. That was my keyboard. See if I can cut and paste and stick this one up here. Actually, I need to turn it a little bit and make it larger. We're going to cut and paste it again. We're going to flip it. Not quite as much as it needed. I don't like that one. We're just going to delete it and do this one. And we're going to start working on this little part down here. Sorry for the silence before. I should have been talking. Now I'm going to do a quick run stitch over to the end here. And then from here all the way back over. Move that out a little bit. I'm going to make it a satin, and let's go with 4 and see how large that is. Oh, we're going to change this to a 3mm then. And then we'll come down and do the bottom part. Set my underlays the way I like them. Take this one off. Again, do a run stitch to the end. more straight. And then from here to the other end, make it a satin stitches with the width of 3. Going to change the color of these. Let's go with light cocoa. And this is what the design looks like. And what you can do is put a name in here, either a first name or a last name or just initials. But it would be cute for the little dog lover in your life. So, hope you like it, and we will talk to you later. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.